I added the Airless tires to the back of my John Deere. The front ones were already solid when I bought it, but the rear ones required air, and I got tired of having to add air all the time. I had a few holes in the sidewall. So I've put these on, and I've had them for about a year. There's a few things I like about them exceptionally. I don't have to put air in them. But look at the bottom where it's meeting the ground. That extra contact, that really helps on slopes. I can get into places where I couldn't. The drawback to the large contact is you really have to be careful not to pivot on the one wheel as you try to change direction, even 90 degrees. You got to make it into a 3-point turn in areas that maybe before you didn't have to. You have to be careful with the air tires too in certain situations. But I would say overall these things are great. The biggest disadvantage probably was the cost. I paid $1,200 for them about a year ago. I'm not sure if the John Deere dealer gave me a discount because I bought the mower from them. But other than the cost, I would say they are perfect. Hello, Dave here. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Like I said, I've been running them for about a year. The tread is holding up very good. I was really afraid that the tread was going to wear out real quick, making it possibly not cost effective. As far as putting them on, it's real easy. You just jack the mower up, take off the 4 lug nuts, pull the old wheel off. It seems to me there was some type of a sticker on the back or maybe on the inside of the hub here where the lugs are that showed the direction of the mower going forward, how they should be mounted, but I can't remember. But like I say, just take it off, torque the lug nuts down to whatever the manual tells you. Of course, I didn't do that. I just tightened them up. And I haven't had any problems with it. I've talked to some guys. They say that it gives you a little bit softer ride because of the flex in the wheel. I have a air cushion seat. I'll make another video on that. That was $1,000 option. So I can't really notice a difference in the ride, but I've had people tell me that it does ride a lot smoother with these airless tires on it due to the give built into the tires. But anyway, like I say, I have to give them pretty much a thumbs up all the way around. They're a little on the pricey side. I guess time will tell. If they last me a few years, six years or so, I'll be happy as can be. Maybe I'll do an update in the future. Anyway, if you would, please like and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching the video.